We preheat faster, so you can heat things up. We use steam to create the perfect crust, so you can perfect your skills. We make the heat circulate evenly, so you can enjoy your family circle. We bake in steps, so you can take new steps. We make sure you are connected, so you can connect with your favorite people. We fry with nothing but hot air, so you can breathe in and out. We bake on multiple levels, so you can take your fitness to the next level. We offer auto programs, so you can enjoy your favorite program. We'll do the cooking, you do the living. The new OptiBake built-in ovens from Gorenje.
Gorenje.